Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to show you my completed mystery diamond painting kit from Make Market. And this is the kit. I do not know the name for it because this year Make Market came up with a new product, a series of mystery kits. There were 4 of them. And out of all 4, I watched the unboxing video of one of the bloggers, and I actually, out of all, liked this one. Why? Because this year, Make Market's so-called fall series was actually Halloween series. Not a single design was fall related, except of Alice in Wonderland, but it is neither Halloween nor autumn related. All other designs were cute, but they were all dark themed, and I'm not really a fan of that. So I thought that out of all the kits, this one, this design was more or less autumn related, but since it was a mystery kit, I saw it only when it was unboxed, and I saw only the rendering. I didn't see the completed result. To tell you the truth, if I saw the final result, most likely I wouldn't purchase it because I was hoping that it was a bright fall bouquet of flowers with gorgeous bright orange or yellow, golden, red colors, like for example over here, this is a design from Diamond Art Club. I love fall. This is my favorite time of year, and I know that fall bouquets look gorgeous. But unfortunately, it's my personal opinion, it was not the case here. Still, I feel that dark themed even in this very design. If I like the flower and the colors over here on the top, I'm not really a fan of the bottom, and I do not like this gray shades of colors here. I'm not sure. At first I thought maybe they were like partly wilted, but to tell you the truth, they do not look wilted. They look kind of covered in mold because of this gray color. And if over here I could have confused it with, for example, a shadow of the flowers, then over here on top of the petals, it does look like mold. It looks like they, they're dying. They're not even wilted, because wilted flowers look different. Maybe it's a scary association, but these flowers resembled me flowers from the funeral or flowers from the cemetery, to tell you the truth. I don't know. I have a negative vibe from this very design. Not that I don't like how it is rendered. It looks pretty detailed, not pixelated whatsoever. I like the color combination, how it was selected, how the colors were selected, chosen, right, and transmitted on the design. But the general design and dimmed darker colors give me that weird vibe that I do not like. So, but let's maybe talk about the specifications of the kit. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 40 by 50 centimeters. All the drills were acrylic, not resin, and you can see the glow. I wouldn't even call it a sparkle, it's more of a glow. And to tell you the truth, it's very weird, but in this very design, this glow doesn't really look good on it, because it prevents from seeing the whole picture, right? You can see it way more detailed like this when there is no sparkle or glow, rather than when it is, which is again very untypical of a diamond painting. This kit came with acrylic drills in the amount of 42 colors, but I did replace 2 colors, the yellow one with AB and the pink one with AB drills from Diamond Dots as well. As to the rest, since I didn't see the final result, it was really very hard for me to make a decision where I could add a crystal or AB or even metallic accents, so I decided not to risk and added it only over here on the tulips. I'm not sure what flower it is, and only two colors. So that's how it looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to frame it because, again, I'm not really in the rapture over this very kit. I guess it is the only design from Make Market that I do not really like. I guess I'm not a mystery kit person. I should know exactly what I'm diamond painting and if it's worth purchasing or not, if I like the final result or not. So in this case, I do not like it, not because it is bad, but because of my personal perception of it. So those of you who are deciding on whether to purchase this mystery kit or not, that's how it looks completed. Not sure if you like it or not. If you like it, go ahead and purchase it. If you don't like it, do not waste your money on it. Again, if I saw it completed, I wouldn't have purchased it. And since I usually frame my kits right away after finishing them, and this is a standard size, I already have a frame for it that I purchased also at Michael's. At this point, I'm not sure if I want to do it, if I want to technically waste the frame, because again, I do not like how it looks. I don't know, maybe it's me personal, maybe I am being too subjective and negative and picky about it. Please let me know in the comments. What do you think? Do you think other people may like it? Because I wouldn't want to give it away as a gift or offer to purchase it to my co-workers, and they will look at me like, hey Natalie, come on, it looks like flowers from cemetery. Why are you offering it to me, or why are you gifting it to me? So what do you think about the completed design? So this is the first kit that I wanted to show it to you. Now, I also completed this snack-sized kit from Temu in the size of, I would think it's 25 by 25 centimeters. I think 30 by 30 is the whole canvas size. It came with 10 colors, and the majority of the drills were special drills, and I really enjoyed diamond painting it. It was really very fast, maybe, I don't know, like several hours, and I wanted something bright, cotton candy like, something girly, after the dark themed flowers. By the way, this one was also pretty fast to diamond paint. It did contain some confetti, but it also had a lot of color blocking on the background, and I had a lot of drills left. I even have a bag of black drills that I didn't even open. And this is, I don't know, I call it cotton candy mansion, Christmas related. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about this design, if I am exaggerating too much. But I'm not sure. I'm not ready to frame it yet. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.